Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Roy. I am a junior at Bishop High School. I created my app, Handshake, as a ASL interpreter. I was inspired to create Handshake by one of my friends who has a hearing difference. My friend uses ASL to communicate. However, I'm not very fluent in ASL. Often there's a language barrier between me and my friend. My friend and I are not alone in our language barrier. In fact, it's found that about 15% of adults are hard of hearing, and roughly 1 in every 8 children above the age of 12 suffers from some form of hearing loss. I created Handshake in the online IDE Replit using the programming languages of HTML, JavaScript, and Python. I use CSS to help with all of the graphical designing. The first part of the app is the ASL to English interpreter. If I sign wow to the camera in ASL, they will then return the word wow. The network is trained using Tensorflow Keras library. How this works is that the neural network will take in the data from Kaggle. The data will then be used to create a model. The model is tested. The model with lower error used to repeat the process. Once the error starts to increase, the program knows that it has found the most accurate model. After the neural network is created, it's then used in the app. Handshake works by using the camera of the device. The camera will take images which will be sent to the model. The model will interpret the images and return its interpretation with the most confidence. If it has a low confidence, it will retry this process. Otherwise, it will return this result. The second part of the app can be accessed through pressing the top left menu button. This part of the app interprets English into ASL. For instance, if I type in handshake, the gesture for handshake can be seen on screen. Handshake can be accessed through in the mobile phone in Android, iOS, and also on a desktop through the web. Over here is the Python program for the Keras TensorFlow image classification neural network. Their app took over 300 lines of code and has roughly 10,000 data points for training. This is a quick glimpse at the front end of the code. As the world continues to advance, it's important that we're including all and engaging all in dialogue. Handshake aims to connect everyone in a society. It's important that we're all able to communicate and understand each other in order to form tighter bonds between friends and between community members. Thank you for your time.